Hello and good day, grade 6 students. So this is me again, your English teacher, Habi, and I really appreciate all of you who are listening and watching today. So today we will continue our lesson all about weather. Okay, again, weather. So last time we tackled about what is the definition of weather and what are the types of weather. Okay, so we tackle this one. So the type of weathers and the definition. So right now we will move to the vocabulary and picture. Okay, again, what is vocabulary, teacher? So that is the text or words that you can read here. And what is picture, teacher? So that is the thing, the um, the picture, the photo that you can see in front of you right now here. Okay, so this one here, and this one here, this one here. So this is what? This is a picture. So let's start with first one, sunny. Okay, again, sunny. So if you see here, sunny. Okay, so when there is a little clouds in the sky with a brighter sunlight. Okay, so you see, so a little clouds here, if you see here, and it's have a sunlight. Okay, so this is what we call sunny. So the sun is it's so bright. Okay, so sunny. When the sun is so bright, of course, it's too hot too. Okay, so you can wash your clothes, you can go out. It's good to go out. Or when you go to the sea, it's good to go to the sea. And next we have rain. Okay, so a water or a teardrops of water comes out from the sky. So that is the rain. If you see the person here, we don't know if this is a boy or girl, but it's a girl here. So from the posture, so this is a girl. So she wear having an umbrella here. Okay, so she covering her head with an umbrella because it's raining here. If you see here, so there is a lot of small water or teardrops of water dropping from the sky here. Okay, next, cloudy. Okay, cloudy. So this is cloudy look like. So it's white smoke that you can see in the sky. Sometimes it has a shape. Okay, so it has a shape where you can see sometimes some animals, sometimes a face, or sometimes look like a mountain. So that is the clouds. Okay, so clouds. So cloudy. So this day or this time is cloudy. And next, we have windy. Okay, so an air, okay, a strong air, okay, that can blow, okay, the umbrella. Okay, if you see, the umbrella is blowing. Okay, if you see here, the scarf, the hair, okay, it's get messy because of a strong wind. So this time or this day is windy. Next, we have snowy. Okay, so snowy. So if you see here, rainy is a water, okay, that fall down from the sky. Okay, so a teardrop of water that comes from the sky or fall down from the sky. But this one here is an ice. Okay, a soft ice that fall down or um, go down from the sky. I mean, so it's an ice which is comes from the sky. Okay, so a small a small soft ice that is come from the sky, so we call it snow. Okay, snow. So this weather type is snowy. Okay, next, stormy. Okay, so stormy. So this is a stormy look like. So it's a combination of different type of bad weather. So example, rain. Okay, so it's have a rain. It's have a dark clouds. It's have a thunder here, and this is the lightning here. Okay, so if you see the lightning and it's have a windy. Okay, so if it is have a storm, so it's a combination of different type of weather. So it's windy too. And if you see here, the water or the waves is so big. So that is a stormy. So one of the dangerous climate or weather. So if there is a storm, you must to prepare your food, you must to prepare your flashlight, you must to always attentive, okay? Because sometimes you don't know what will happen, okay? Sometimes it have a flood, sometimes it can break your ceiling by the strong wind, okay? Or sometimes there is a tree will fall down, so you must to be careful or attentive. Okay, next, hot. Okay, so hot. So here, if you see the if too much sunlight, it can cause too hot, or the high it can cause the temperature to be high. You see here, it's Fahrenheit is 100, and around 35 or yes 35 Celsius. So it's quite too hot. So more than you got a fever. Okay, so it's too hot. So the temperature Okay, it's getting high. Okay, so that is the time it's so hot. And the sun, it's so bright. Okay, so that's why it's creating too hot weather. Okay, next, cold. Okay, so when does temperature is go down? Okay, so this one here, if you see, it's go down. So the temperature is so low, and the cold is created by the snow. Okay, so too much snow. Okay, so if the snow never stop, it can create a really low temperature. Okay, or Celsius or Fahrenheit. That's why it's so cold. So you must to wear your jacket. You must to uh, use your heater and or make some fire, okay, to make you warm. So now we've just finished in your vocabulary and picture, so let's move on to the practice question and answer. So we will do the practice question and answer now. So number one, what is the weather for today? So I'm going to asking you, what is the weather for today? So you can say the weather for today is sunny, okay? So today you must to watch too, okay? So if you feel that today is raining, so you must not to answer sunny, okay? You can say today is the weather for today is rainy, okay? Number two, how was the weather yesterday? So was, okay? So in the past, how was the weather yesterday? So today is Tuesday. So how was the weather on Mon or was how was the weather on Monday? So you can say the weather yesterday was rainy, or if sunny, you can say the weather yesterday was sunny. Okay, so next, which weather do you like? So you must to choose a weather that you like. So example, I like the snowy weather. Okay, so you like snowy weather. You can say I like windy weather. Okay, so now I'm going to asking you, why do you like a snowy weather? Okay, so you must to have a reason. So when there is a question why, you must to have a reason. So you can say because I want to build a snowman, because I want, if you like the windy, so you can say because I want to make or fly a kite. Okay, so play a kite or flying a kite. Okay, so you like it. So kite, okay? So next, number five, what do you think will be the weather for tomorrow? So in number two, we're asking about yesterday, and number one, we're asking today, so present and the past. And now let's move to the future. So tomorrow, okay, so Wednesday, what do you think will be the weather for tomorrow? Or what do you think the weather will be? Okay, so what do you think will be the weather on Wednesday? So I think tomorrow will be windy. If windy, if you think only. Okay, or you can say I think tomorrow will be rainy if you think that I think tomorrow will be rainy, like that. So depend on what you're thinking. Okay, so you can say I think um on Wednesday will be rainy, will be windy, okay, like that. So that is how you answer, okay? So this is practical question, okay? So you can encounter this question every day, especially when you are at the country which they are speaking English, okay, language. So you must to learn how to answer this one, okay? So next time we will tackle about what, teacher? About the question and answer, okay? So right now you can learn from the practice question and answers, and next time we will have this one, okay? The question and answer portion, so that the video will not take so long. Okay, so I will separate this one here, the question and answer. So this is between me, your teacher, and you, the student. So I will put here like this. Okay, so what is the weather for today? So you can say the weather for today is cold. Okay, so I will put this one here. So what is the weather for today? The weather for today is stormy, like that. Okay, so this is an example. So thank you so much, class. So I hope you learned something for our lesson for today, and have a good day. Bye.